then there were 4. Apat na kapunan na lang po ang natitirang maglalaban-laban para sa Leg 3 Championships, which comes with 100,000 pesos and of course, the all-important 100 points. Nandito pa rin tayo sa loob ng Robinson's Place sa Las Piñas. This is Leg 3 of the first conference of the second season ng ating PBA 3x3 Lakas ng Tatlo. Butching, you've been here all morning long. Matindi na ang natunghayan nating labanan at sigurado lalo pa mag-iinit yan.
Grabe ang naglaro, no? From start to finish. Ang TNT, Alman Bosotro started it. Tapos tinapos si Batino. Tapos Meralco. Off the bench si De Vera. Finishing it at Tonino Gonzaga. Yan ang semifinals natin at hand.
Sa pagsilip natin sa ating updated bracket, we see yung dalawang nagkampyona in the first 2 legs, nandiyan pa, magkahiwalay pa. Pwede silang makarepeat kung sakasakali o pwede rin namang matanggal pareho at magkaroon tayo ng bagong kampyon. It is TNT versus Meralco, as Bunjing mentioned. JNT Express will be taking on Cavitex. Yan po ang 4 na natitirang koponan para sa Leg 3 semifinals ng ating PBA 3x3 Lakas ng Tatlo. Kaya naman, without further ado, umpisahan na natin ang unang semifinal natin. The Meralco Bolts take on the TNT Tropang Giga.
Welcome to the semifinals. These two teams will battle it out. Will have a chance to play for big money. Introducing first, TNT Tropang Giga. From along the board, number 8, Peng Exeminiano. From Nueva Ecija, number 9, Samboy Delio. From Davao at number 29, Brian Mendoza. From Valenzuela, number 26, Almon Vosotros. Coach of TNT Tropang Giga, Coach Mau Belen. Their opponent, Meralco Bolts 3x3. From Kakad, Cebu City, number 7, Alfred Patino. From Pasig City, number 9, Leo Davila. Former UAAP champion from Bacolod City. At number 10, Tonino Gonzaga. From Bukidnon at number 16, Raymond Carduya. Coach of Meralco Bolts 3x3, Coach Patrick Fran. Our referees, Bing Oliva and Kenny Hollig.
That loss against SMB in Leg 2 took us back to earth, and while we hope for a better start here in Leg 3, we unfortunately started with another loss. Ito nga ang sinabi ni Coach Maubilen as TNT tries to get back to their championship form by booking a ticket here in the semifinals. According to Coach Maubilen, it was differences in willingness, motivation, and sacrifice that determined their roller coaster game results. Para nga kay Coach Mau, lumabas sa laro ang kanilang pag-differences and being their team not on the same page. Kaya going into the semifinals match, sabi ni Coach Mau, gusto niya bumalik at ipakita kung sino talaga dapat ang TNT, which for her is the hardest working and best conditioned team in the league.
Yes, indeed, it is the semifinals. TNT Tropang Giga, Meralco Bolts 3x3 in 5, 4, 3x3 PBA. Lakas ng Tatlo. So ball on the TNT.
And you can also say relevant things, the most relevant things this season. Having going at each other here in the semifinals of Leg 3 ng Season 2. You see Meralco looking to pound it inside. Batino though overcooks his first shot.
Almon Bosotros taking that 2-point shot. Yan yung specialty of the house, si Almon.
We all know Almond has definitely stamped his class on the PBA 3x3 stage. Pero sa kabila naman, yung Raymer Kaduyak, ang kanyang katapat ngayon. You know this guy, nagpakilala to nung magkampyon naman ang Limitless.
they're good matchup kasi si Vosotros can shoot from outside. Si Kaduya naman, physical na lumalaro and can really attack the basket.
Of course, Meralco will also have Tonino Gonzaga, who is still in his warmers up to this juncture. Ayun, naalala niya, sandali. Kailangan hubarin yung jacket bago pumasok sa laro. So yung senaryo nga natin, pwedeng yung unang dalawang kampiyon, ang unang dalawang leg ang magtapat. Talking about TNT and of course Cavitex na maglalaro maya-maya. O pwede rin na yung mga remnants naman ng Limitless ang magkakatapat. Yung Cavitex featuring si Napoles. He can be facing off against Kaduyak as a two-pointer is delivered there.
De Vera kanina off the bench siya, pero dito nag-start siya sa ball game. He's delivered 2 points already.
Sotros gustong bumawi. And napansin natin sa quarterfinal round with Giga, etong TNT. Yung signature nila, notorious sila sa mga slow start dito sa PBA 3x3. Pero naka-recover na naman sila at nakapagtuloy-tuloy hanggang sa dulo. There was a threat near the end mula sa Pioneer, pero TNT had enough with Samboy De Leon finishing it with a two-pointer. Slow start na naman ang TNT dito.
Pero ito si Vosotros, ganyan-ganyan din nangyari ng quarterfinals. Si Vosotros, he's taking charge pag alam niya na hindi nagkakaroon ng magandang basket or opportunity ang TNT.
Look at Tonino Gonzaga trailing his own shot, knowing exactly where it was going to bounce. Vosotros gets it right back. 2 to shoot. Almond has to go. Kanya rin yung board.
Pag shooter ka, talagang pag-release mo palang, alam mo kaagad kung saan pwede pumunta yung bola mo. Short or hindi
Vosotros off the window. That's a second two-pointer of the game.
So there's going to be a mismatch naman between De Vera and Vosotros.
Almond giving up the duty foul. TNT, kumpiyansa yung mga yan mamigay ng foul na maaga because they know how to stay away from it when they get into foul trouble. As we take another look at that off-the-glass deuce mula dito kay Vosotros. It's TNT by 1, 5-4. Kaduyak hands it off. Gonzaga from the left. Doesn't work. Patino showing us his size to clean that one up.
Pagdating talaga sa shaded lane, si Patino, almost laging basket na yan.
Kasi pinarada dito sa leg 3 netong TNT, wala si Lervin Flores. Si Mendoza ang umaakto ng pinaka-bigman nila dito.
They wanted to go on a speed. Talking about this leg 3. Gusto nila to speed up. And hopefully, makuha nila ibang combination. Siyempre, all throughout the grand finals, hinahabol mo yung perfect combination as a coach.
De Vera, naging pagsenyasan dito kay Kaduyak. Raymar will kick it back out. Leo with a flyby drive. Look at that strong move to the hoop. Up na tayo sa 6.
That was a hang time move by De Vera, but they have to shadow Vosotros. Very athletic talaga si De Vera. He jumped all over De Leon for that basket.
Mendoza doesn't work. Nagkapilipit sila ni Gonzaga. Naiwan si Tonino. Extra pass to the other side. Pintis para kay Ping. At sa rebound play, merong foul.
Nagkahatakan sa shaded lane. Kaduyak was called for holding.
You can even say throughout the first 4 conferences, yung unang 3 ng season 1 and dito sa season 2, itong unang conference natin, pwedeng evenly matched itong dalawang koponan, but somehow, some way, TNT more often than not, naiisahan palagi itong Bolts.
yung championship experience dito ng TNT. Yun yung nagbibigay sa kanila dito ng edge. Off the ball, meron nagkatulakan, so tumawag si referee Oliva. Pero yung tira ni De Vera, pasok kaya o hindi? And one. So De Vera taking the 3-pointer. The ball. Tsaka si Mendoza.
Mustard on that one. Meralco looking to stretch this 2-point lead. De Vera looks to make it 4. Leo misses. Eximiniano beating Batino to the rebound. Vosotros. No.
Batino clearing the rebound. De Vera now to the post.
Batino off one leg.
Piso-piso talaga pagka sa perimeter shot si Batino.
Meralco by 3-9-6. Di mabawasan ni Almond John. Batino will secure it para dito sa mga naka-asul ng Bolts. They want to keep going to Batino. Mendoza says, sandali lang, sirs. Foul muna tayo.
They've been taking too many outside shots. Itong TNT. Batino talagang piyansa sa shaded lane.
Alfred Batino's just a walking mismatch here. Nobody on that TNT side can really stop him when he gets to the block. As we've been mentioning, mananalo dito, pwedeng lumaban sa 100,000 piso, pero hindi lang yun. Yung all-important tour points ang pinaglalaban-labanan natin dito.
Ang tour points, very important yan. Lahat ng puntos na makukuha ng lahat ng kapunan. Whether you're playing for the finals or do sa classification game, maki-carry over yan sa total points na makukuha nila para ma-determine yung top 10 para sa grand finals.
Tandaan natin, pagdating ng grand finals nga, by invitation only yan. Yung dalawang bottom 2, dalawa na, bottom 2 pa, no? Hindi po makakasama sa grand finals kung saan 750K ang paglalabanan. Saga doesn't work. TNT trailing by 3. De Vera. They dump it inside again. Foul before the shot, says the ref.
Yun lang kailangan gawin ng Meralco Bolts. Once they get their possession, they just have to locate Batino in the shaded lane. Ngayon, kung hindi magkakaroon na switching sa depensa, si Mendoza at si Samboy De Leon, then they will have a hard time. I'm talking about TNT.
De Vera. Sundutan from behind. Ni Vosotros. De Vera wanted a whistle. Referee says possession sa inyo. Both squads with 14 fouls here. With 4:20 remaining in this semi-final game.
Sa ganitong lineup ng Meralco Bolts, this will be an advantage for TNT. Walang legit center na ginagamit. Wala si Batino resting.
0.2 to shoot. Yun na lang ang natira sa shot clock. Netong Bolts. Halos matik niya. Napunta na dito sa TNT ang possession.
So that was a very important stop para sa TNT to get back in yung kanilang momentum.
Mendoza with a getaway.
So yan yung importante kay Mendoza. Make sure to pass by De Vera sa kanyang opensa.
Mendoza with a steal as well. Ryan goes to the twirl.
2 straight points by Mendoza against the defense of De Vera.
Nasa isang inabot dito ng TNT. Anong isasagot ng Meralco? They try and go inside to Leo. Tonino, no. Chance to tie or take the lead. Mendoza kicks it over pero kumakat na si De Leon.
Kasama na rin yung pagod doon ni Mendoza because he scored 2 straight points. Hindi niya na nakita, hindi niya na locate si Mendoza si De Leon going for backdoor.
Swinging back to live action now. They got Batino back on the floor talking about the Bolts. Kaduyak with 3 to shoot. Has to put one up off the window. Balik sa dalawang abante ng Meralco.
That's easy 2 points for Kaduyak.
Vosotros though slithering his way through. Almond just makes it look too easy. Batino is fouled. He was making sure the referee saw that he was in the act of shooting already.
Maganda yung naging adjustment ng TNT. From the weak side, drop down na sila to double Batino. Unfortunately, depensa doon ni Ping. Kaya nagkaroon ng foul.
That'll also be team foul number 5 para dito sa TNT. Bago po tayo sa 3x3, pagdating po na 17 fouls 2 free throws na pamimigay mo. Pag umabot pa ng 10 team fouls yan, 2 free throws plus possession pa. That's gonna be a bang and a bucket para kay Mendoza, pero mukhang masama yung pagkakabagsak niya sa kanyang kamay.
That was a hard fall by Mendoza. Maganda idea niya to attack strong to the basket. Unfortunately, si De Vera, pag draw charge niya, umiwas bahagya eh.
Tinamaan, kaya naman napaatras. And masama doon na itukod, Eugene.
Oo. Pero left-handed to, wag naman sana yung kanya shooting arm at saka makabalik lang siya. Kasi very important after this, kung makakapasok sila final, so crucial game lalo.
See the medical staff bringing out the tape. Pero yun, hinatak naman siya ni Ping dun din mismo sa kamay na nasaktan. Coach Mao, of course, and Coach Ardio with a concerned look on their faces.
So the referee still checking if he can take the free throw. Nasa rules ng PBA, di ba? If you didn't take the free throw, sinab ka, hindi ka na makakabalik.
Sa 5-on-5 yun, iba dito.
Sa 3x3 hindi. Walang house rule ng PBA ng ganun. Kasi sa amateur pwede anytime you can sub. Especially pag pumasok yung medical staff, automatic sub.
Looks like Mendoza is okay. Nag-usap pa nga sila ni Samboy kung ano ba, kaya ba, sirs? Kaya naman daw. Mukha namang okay, Gene.
Oh, pasok! para nagpahinga ka lang dyan, Mendoza.
Gonzaga against the shot clock. Couldn't bail him out, but he chases it down as well. That's a fresh 12. De Vera over to Batino. Couldn't handle it.
Yun ang sinasabi natin, no? Si Ping Exemiano, binabasa niya na ngayon yung pag-roll ni Batino. Kaya from the weak side, ginigive up na nila yung opposite side para matapik ang bola kay Batino at madepensahan.
That's what you gotta love, Coach Mabelen's TNT squad, ano? Kahit sino katapat, they find adjustments almost every single time. Yung in-game adjustment, napakatindi, napakatinik nila sa ganyan.
Yung communication ng players, no, yung kanilang level of intellectual capability nila sa game, iba talaga adjustment ng TNT.
Vosotros gives the Tropang Giga the lead. Kaduyak pitches it in. Vosotros breaks it up. Uh-oh. Mendoza though couldn't pass it properly. Mababalik sa Meralco ang possession.
Yung mga backdoor plays ngayon ng Bolts, nababasa nila. Si Bolts, Duyak's defense, naman, easy layup.
Kaduyak, ayaw bitawan si Almond. De Leon na lang ang atake. Rebound para kay Tonino, hindi pa pala natanganan yun. But Tonino saves it and gets it back from Raymar. Batino fading away.
That's another point by Batino. Meron na siya ditong 4 points sa ball game.
Vosotros. Nope. Tonino taps it. Batino with a pin down on Ping. Sumobra lang sa reverse.
May halong gigil yung tira niya doon.
Ping left alone. Make some pay.
Bonus yan for TNT because Ping is known as a defender, but now he's scoring 2 points.
He's been punishing defenders on the PBA 3x3 stage with that shot. Naabot pa ng shot clock ang Meralco. A minute and 20 na lang to.
Bigla nagpasab si Tonino Gonzaga sa huling tira niya, pero Ping Examiano nailing that 2 points in the corner.
That's actually his favorite spot dito sa ating PBA 3x3 lakas ng tatlo. That right corner pocket has been deadly para kay Eximiano. Now you gotta settle things down if you're Meralco because any kind of basket makes it a 2-possession lead para sa TNT.
So any foul also would mean 2 free throws for TNT. Kaya nga, pag 1 minute 20 seconds, less than 2 minutes na tight ang ball game, possession per possession na kailangan gawin mo. Wala na masyadong gamble sa mga pasa.
Sabi sa'yo, yung TNT nauna sa 5-team fouls yan pero napangalagaan na nila. Binanggit mo na, itong Meralco ngayon, ang pag namigay ng foul, free throw kagad. Batino, nice fake. Cuts that deficit to 1. Katuyak with a steal.
Whoa!
Mendoza with a takeaway. Mendoza hesitates, gives it up to Ping. Nope. Kanya rin yung rebound. Naku, niluwalang doon. Tapos di sila nagkaamo yan ni Almond.
Nanggigil yung dalawa eh. Sayang yung opportunity nila, but they still have to stop yung ball game dahil kinakailangan i-review ng ating referee doon sa out of bounds.
Dalawa sila. Pero si din na mas mahaba ang galamay.
Kasi sabi ni De Vera, hindi ako humawak. Usually ganyan no, walang maamin na player.
TNT by 1, 14-13.
Nire-review pa rin ang technical group, no?
We got about 3 to 4 possessions left in this one. Bakit po natin nasabi yun? 12 segundo ang kada shot. You compute it, 40 seconds. Pwedeng apat.
Pwede kasi gano'n kung gano'ng abilis itira o opensiba ang isang kupunan.
Ako hindi ko kayang tignan kung kanino yan. Ikaw, kanino?
Hindi eh.
Doon na lang tayo sa rep. Kanino daw?
Oh, sabi mo, tama ka. Si De Vera yung nakita mo mahabang galamay. But in a fast decision making, dalawa humawak, Vosotros at saka si Ping eh.
Shot clock winding down here. Vosotros on the move. Goes up against Kaduyak. Doesn't work. Kaduyak ends up with it. Gives it up. Tonino for the lead. Bang!
Lamang na ng 1 point dito, Meralco Bolts.
De Leon puts it on the deck. Naipit. Pinwersa. Samboy, no. Kanino yung rebound? Take Almond. And we are tied at 15.
Kaduyak settling his play.
There's about a 3-second differential between the clocks. Kaduyak for the lead. Yes! Oh! Uncharacteristic for TNT to turn it over right there.
Grabe. Yung maganda yung pagka-decision ni Kaduyak to attack the basket, pero meron 3 seconds pa natira, nagkaroon ng miscommunication si Vosotros.
That's something you don't see every day. Kaduyak with that gutsy move, libre si De Vera, but he took it upon himself. And yun, yung hindi natin nakikita palagi, De Leon to Vosotros, hindi nagkaintindihan doon.
Hindi pa, gusto pa ni Vosotros sa 3-point area. Gusto niya for the winning basket, Pero si De Leo too early to pass the ball. So nagkaroon ng turnover. Very costly.
TNT will have to go for the steal here. A foul will just give the possession back to Meralco with only 3.4 seconds remaining. Ayun na, natabig ni Almond. Inabot ni De Vera. Leo De Vera saves the day para dito sa Meralco Bolts 3x3.
Grabe ang aksyon. Nagmintis si Busotros so that minti ka pa ma-putback ni De Leon.
Nakuha pa ni Almond oh.
Tsaka normal shot ni Busotros yan eh.
Yeah. And TNT is shocked here. Meralco saying, finish na mga sirs.
So it's a shocking game.
And kahit na, etong si Batino had his moments, etong si Tonino had his, and even Katuyak, yung nagsalba nung panalo para sa Meralco, si Leo De Vera.
Leo De Vera started with 2 points. 2 points. Kaya may 6 points and 8 rebounds. Kanina nga sabi ko, off the bench siya sa quarters. Pero dito sa semifinals, he dominated.
16-15, Meralco takes out TNT to make it to the finals of Leg 3.